Okay, guys, here I am. I'm actually here right now at a certain hotel here at somewhere here in Kenya, and we just visited a lot of places. And yesterday we were able to visit the farm, and today we're just taking a break. And as I can see, there's a lot of nice, beautiful areas right here because I was able to see a lot of nice, beautiful animals. And you know what? It's such a nice experience, me being here in Africa, because I've discovered a lot of things right here. And I'm so glad that I came over here because I've never experienced this kind of, thing before. I thought that Africa is just all about poverty. Africa is just all about just the negative stuff that everybody's been talking about. But right now, I have seen the positive side of it because it's not all about poverty. It's all about lots of nice, beautiful things as well, And I can actually picture myself being here, and I can actually see a lot of places where I can see the Philippines. So it's just, the difference is just the people here are black, of course, and there's still corruption as a matter of fact, just like the Philippines. But here, it's more of just the reality. I've seen a lot of places, different stuff. You can actually say, you can actually tell what's the difference, or you can actually tell exactly what it's like in Manila or whatever, outside Manila or whatever also. So it's quite different, but we can actually see or feel the similarities of it. So nangangahulugan na ang place na to is something na pwedeng ipagmalaki kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan ako ulit pabalik dito, at hindi ko alam kung ano ulit ang next time. So sana po balang araw babalik po ako rito para maipakita ulit kung ano yung hindi ko pa nakita, okay, para ulit kung ano pa yung mga hindi ko pa po lalo sa ibang places dito. Pero sa totoo lang po, masabi ko na kung ano naman po yung nakita ko na, masabi ko na talagang napaka-exciting po talaga yung mga places na yon. At saka kung tutuusin po, malaki talaga yung malaking kaibahan po talaga yung nakita ko, katulad ng kalikasan, katulad ng akala ko puro disyerto lamang, akala ko hindi ako makakita ng mga green, akala ko hindi ako makakita ng mga place na talagang ng mga big buildings or whatever. Pero nakita ko rin po talaga yung pagkakaiba. Hindi lang po yung mga, kung ano po yung mga sinasabi iba't ibang mga tao na puro mga crimes, puro po mga poverty or whatever, kung ano yung sinasabi nila. Ang Africa po ay para ring Pilipinas. May mga parte po na talagang may mga makikita mo, mga lugar na talagang makikita mo parang in the Philippines din, na mayroong mga squatter areas. Pero dito rin po, meron ka rin po makikita ng mga magagandang areas din. Meron ka rin makikita na talagang parang Manila din. So, hindi lang naman po yung kung ano yung sinasabi nila na Africa talagang napaka poverty or whatever. Hindi lang naman po yan. Siguro po parang ibang places din na critical areas or whatever, pero so far po ang nakita ko po talagang safe po kami rito. Hindi naman po nangangahulugan ng Africa ay talagang place na kung sinasabi nila talagang napaka dangerous or hindi naman po ganun. As a matter of fact, I felt really very, very safe. At saka yung group ko po dito ay talagang napakaganda po dahil lahat po sila ay talagang they made me feel like I'm a part of their family. At ibinigay po talaga nila yung hindi ko po na alam noon na ibibigay po nila sa akin. At para po kaming pamilya, alam ko po na lahat po sila hindi ko po na-meet before, pero as of now po, yung pinakita po nila, parang parte po ako para sa kanila. At saka ang ganda-ganda po talaga dito. I wish I can stay here longer, pero hindi naman po pwede dahil I have some work to do in the Philippines. At pero sabi ko po, marami akong maipapamahagi po sa kanila. Marami po akong may pakita ng mga footages po dito, lalong-lalo na po sa aking mga kababayan. Marami po akong may share sa kanila. At lahat po na nakita ko rito ay talagang something na pwede ko pang malaki, at saka something po na pwede kong ma-share po sa lahat. At masasabi ko po na itong pagpunta ko dito sa Africa ay something na hindi ko po makakalimutan. Something po na kailan may hindi ko po masabi na hindi ko po may regret, kundi masabi ko po na sana balang araw ay babalik po ako dito. So, mga kaibigan, marami pa akong makikita, marami po akong may papamahagi po sa inyo. So, balang araw po, magkakaroon po tayo ulit ng pagkakataon at masabi ko po na sana sa bandang huli, hindi lang po ako mag-iisa, kundi meron na rin po ako mga kasama na taga-Pilipinas din. Kasi, iba rin po kasi pag may makasama ka dito, diba? Iba rin po kasi pag wala kang kasama. Pero, as long as yung mga kasama ko rin po dito ay talagang pinakita po talaga nila na welcome po ako sa kanila. So, pwede ko masabi na hindi po ako nag-iisa. Pwede ko po rin masabi na parang nandito rin po ako na kapamilya ko rin po ang makasama ko rito. So, sana po mga kaibigan, magugustuhan nyo rin po kung ano yung maipamahagi ko sa inyo at balang araw ay ma-appreciate nyo rin po kung sakali man mapunta rin po kayo dito sa Africa. Dahil alam ko po na lahat po kayo mag-e-enjoy dito sa Africa, hindi lang po dahil sa maraming makikita kayo na iba't ibang mga kalikasan, iba't ibang mga makikita nyo. Para rin po kasi nandyan din po kayo sa Pilipinas at iyon po ang mafe-feel nyo pag nandito po kayo. At para rin po sa mga kasama ko, I just wanna say thank you for everybody. Yeah, I just want to say that to all those people from Better Globe who came with me on this trip. I just want to say I was very lucky to have you guys with me. I was very, very happy to let you know, guys, that you made me feel that I am a part of your family, of Better Globe family. Especially to Mr. Reno Solberg and of course Mr. JB the Prince, Mr. Jan, to Mr. Einar, to all of them. You know, I can't mention everybody's name because I cannot memorize everybody's name, but I can just say from my heart that I was really very, very happy to have you guys with me, and I'm so glad that you actually accepted me as a part of your family, and I wouldn't mind having you guys again on my next trip. So, see you guys again, and hopefully, we're gonna have more trips to come. Okay? Bye.
Yes, a very cold pills. Cold pills. Yeah, I saw you were going to ask. Very